Don't do aggressive changes. Suppose my style is, I'm telling, sir, I want to go to the gym. Okay, the remaining people also observe that. I want to go to the gym. Every day I require to spend at least 2 hours time or at least 1 hour time in the gym. This is about my target. What I will do is, I will make a promise that going to the gym every day I require to spend 1 hour. I won't do the promise. Every day, as long as I'm staying in Hyderabad, I will visit the gym at least to see the name board. At least to see the name board. I will visit the gym. That's it. Automatically, what will happen is, so we will, even today at 10:30, 11 o'clock, I was busy. At 11 o'clock, I came to the house. 11 o'clock, gym is going to be closer. Just for 2 minutes, go there, see the board, and then I will come. That continuity we are going to maintain. Getting the point? Suppose I want to wake up at 5 o'clock, but my regular time is at 8 o'clock. I usually wake up. 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Don't jump. Okay. Next 3 months or otherwise every month. 10 minutes before. 10 minutes before. 8 o'clock you are wake up. Better to wake up at 7:50. In the next 1 month, 7:50 only I will wake up. In the next month, 7:40 I will wake up. In the next month, 7:30 I will wake up. Okay. In 1 month, 2 hours you are going to automatically you are going to come early. 2 hours because every month 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes like. So because wake up at 5 o'clock, is it required for only 1 month or 2 months or lifetime? Yes, friends. Is it required for lifetime? If you require for lifetime, we should not be hurrying. Okay. In the next 2 to 3 years, I will habitize to wake up at 5 o'clock. So in this year, just 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, max by 7:30, max by 7, I'm going to wake up. Next year, max by 6, I will wake up. Next year, max by 5, I will wake up. Like that, your style will be. Suppose you are eating the dinner at 9:30, 10 or 11 or 12, sometimes midnight, 1 o'clock also. What you can do is, a simple promise I did. 9 o'clock, by 9 o'clock, I should complete the dinner. By mistake, if I won't complete the dinner by 9 o'clock, that day is the fasting. I didn't promise 6 o'clock I'm going to complete my dinner. Okay, but max by 9. Sometimes I may complete my dinner 7. Sometimes I may complete my dinner 6:30. Sometimes I may complete my dinner at 8:50. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So better to do in this style so that you won't. So in what way we require to plan the things is, it is impossible to fail. It is impossible to fail. Like that, we require to plan our activities. At least 2 minutes I will spend. I will go there to see the gym board and then I will come back. Is there any chance of failure that?
No.
No way. Hurry, at least 5 minutes class I will take every day for the next 1 year on AI. Is there any chance to fail?
No.
I didn't give the commitment that compulsory I will take in this time only. Compulsory I will take this much duration. No. At least 5 minutes compulsory I will take every day session. Sometimes in the evening, my house function is there. I may take that in the afternoon time. Okay. In the afternoon, there is something is there. I may take in the late night 10 o'clock. Just for 5 minutes, we will connect like that. It's impossible to fail. Like that, we require to plan. Every day, at least 1 rupee saving. Is there any chance to fail that?
No.
No way. There is no, it's impossible to fail such a type of possibility. In that way, we require to plan. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Bigger changes I want to do that. Don't do that. The changes should be happen slowly, natural way. Naturally, the things are going to be happen.